Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by duplicating the background and working non-destructively. This protects the original. Open camera raw or image adjustments to tame highlights quickly, then create a blank retouch layer for spot fixes. Use a soft round brush at low flow. Sample nearby color with Alt and Paint to reduce glare. Once done, toggle the duplicate layer visibility to compare. Make sure to keep adjustments subtle so skin texture and reflections remain natural. Now you focus on the complex middle steps. Isolate the glare with a lasso or layer mask and choose the right tool: spot healing for small spots, clone stamp for larger reflections. For delicate areas, use frequency separation. Work on low frequency for color shifts and high frequency for texture. This preserves detail. Once done, blend corrections using Blend If or a soft light layer at low opacity to reincorporate specular highlights. Finish by matching light and texture. Sample surrounding tones and use Dodge or Burn at low exposure to subtly reintroduce depth. Add a little noise or sharpening only when texture doesn't match. Mask those layers precisely. If your recovery looks artificial, step back and reduce layer opacity or refine the mask with a small feather. Once done, merge a stamped layer for final global tweaks, and make sure to save a versioned PSD so you can revisit adjustments later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.